and other dignitaries, my plight is just like gentlemen. On behalf of the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission, RISEC, I cordially welcome you all to this stakeholders meeting. I thank you for responding to our invitation at a very short notice. We are impelled to move fast in tandem with changing events and circumstances in our dear state, Rivers State. The sole objective of this meeting is a formal unveiling of the guidelines and timetable of activities for the 2025 local government elections in Rivers State. As you are all aware, the 5th October 2024 local government council elections conducted in Rivers State was voided by the Supreme Court of Nigeria in the judgment delivered on 28th of February 2025 for sundry legal reasons. The Supreme Court of Nigeria is the apex, final, or highest court in the judicial hierarchy in Nigeria, and by virtue of Section 287, Section 1 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, as amended, all authorities and people, all persons, all courts below, all government, state and federal in the Federation must enforce the decisions of the Supreme Court of Nigeria. We are unavoidably and painfully plunged into a restart, but as a responsible, law-abiding statutory body, we must demonstrate our fidelity and obedience to the rule of law. This setback is our ineluctable fate right now. Philosophically speaking, in the affairs of man and society in history, it is said that, I quote, "A setback is a setup for a comeback. Do not let failure stop you. Let it be the jolt you need to succeed." The comeback is always stronger than the setback, and every setback is an opportunity to learn and grow. Therefore, I posit that setback can inspire all of us to restart and move forward and become stronger and more successful than before. And the greater the challenge faced by man, the more triumphant in history. And history is sweetest when the battle is fought hardest. We have accordingly taken a grand comeback, stronger and determined for greater success. RISEC is a body created by Section 5 of the RISEC Law number 2 of 2018 to organize, undertake, and supervise every election to the 23 local government councils in Rivers State, among other statutory functions. Soon after the judgment of the Supreme Court of Nigeria on 28 February 2025, RISEC has preoccupied itself with prompt actions, targeted and remedial actions on the observed snag in the October 5th, 2024 elections, with a view to bringing about total observance and improvement to the electoral process in the subsequent election to a level of perfection in which there will be general acceptability of the outcome of the election. All stakeholders, we all need to join hands to create the conditions for continuous addition of value and improvement and success of the 2025 local government elections in Rivers State. We, the 6th Commission, on assumption of duty, made a commitment to be fair, impartial, and non-partisan in our relations with all stakeholders, as well as create a level playing field for all parties and all contestants. We have, despite all odds and unpopular clamor and skepticism in some quarters, as is usual, or expected in a democratic dispensation such as ours, we have remained undeterred in the discharge of our statutory duties to all stakeholders and the people of Rivers State. Perhaps what is now required more than ever is to create more opportunities for dialogue and interaction in subsequent days ahead to foster frank discussions on emerging challenges and concerns. We have noted the allegations and genuine concerns expressed by contestants and political parties in the previous exercise, and we shall adequately redress them when they arise. We are here today, logically and operationally, RISEC promises an atmosphere devoid of suspicion and fears, and we shall focus on rebuilding confidence and preparing for a free, fair, peaceful, transparent, and credible local government elections in Rivers State. We are here today to unveil the guidelines and timetable of activities for the 2025 local government elections. I humbly appeal to all politicians aspiring to contest for positions to do so in a civil and disciplined manner. You are expected to play by the rules. The guidelines are set for the good of all. They are not intended or skewed against any party or individual. We all have a collective responsibility to consolidate our nascent democratic experience. We expect all stakeholders to act with professionalism, good ethics, and civility before, during, and after the election. Let me use this medium to commend the contestants and political parties and the press for their positive contributions to the success of the last elections. On this note, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I will now proceed to formally unveil the 2025 local government timetable and guidelines. In exercise of the powers conferred on the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission by Section 5 of the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission Law number 2 of 2018, and all other powers enabling it in that behalf, to provide guidelines to political parties stipulating the rules and procedure for electioneering campaigns for the 2025 local government elections and any runoffs, rerun, and by-election that may arise therefore. The Commission hereby makes the following rules and regulations. 1. Local government council elections. There shall be local government council election on Saturday, 9th August 2025 in all the 23 local government areas of Rivers State. Listed in the second column of the table and first schedule of this guideline, in which one councillor shall be elected in each ward. B. A chairman and vice chairman shall be elected for each of the local government areas. At this juncture, it is just and convenient to call attention to Section 20 of the RISEC law on procedure at elections, which mandates the Commission to give notice of election. Section 20 of the said law reads as follows, and I quote, "The Commission shall, not less than 90 days before the date of an election, publish a notice, 1, stating the date of election, and 2, appointing a place at which nomination papers are to be delivered. 3, publish the notice in each ward where an election is to be held." Section 150, subsection 1 of the Electoral Act 2022 is also relevant, and I read, I quote, "In furtherance of the provisions of Part 2 of the second schedule to the Constitution, the procedure regulating elections conducted by the Commission to area councils in the Federal Capital Territory under this Act shall be the same and apply with equal force as the procedure regulating elections conducted to local government areas by any state," unquote. State Commission, as defined thereunder, means State Independent Electoral Commission, including RISEC, created under Section 197 of the Constitution. This is the extant provision of Section 152 of the Electoral Act 2022. Therefore, by the combined effect of Section 150, Subsection 1 of the Electoral Act 2022, and Section 103, Subsection 1 and 3 of the Electoral Act 2022, which applies to Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission, by virtue of Section 50 of the Act, aforecited, RISEC is mandated to fix date of local government council elections, quote, on a date not earlier than 150 days before and not later than 30 days before the expiration or the terms of office of the holder of the office. On the strength of the above law and the state of authorities as decided by the Superior Courts, notably the Supreme Court of Nigeria, Section 90 of RISEC law, is to be subordinated or made subject to Section 151 of the Electoral Act 2022. In due course, RISEC shall take other legal steps prescribed in the Act to ensure a valid and faultless conduct of the 2025 local government council election. And for the avoidance of doubt, it is clear that this commission took into consideration the provisions of the above quoted laws in arriving at 9th August 2025 as the date of the local government election in Rivers State. Now, contrary to the misconception of a few as expressed in the media, I make bold to say without equivocation that the fixing of date of election into local government councils in Rivers State is the sole and undoubted statutory power of RISEC by virtue of Section 13, Paragraph 1 to 4 of RISEC Law Number 2 of 2018. The criteria for participation and other sundry provisions are articulated in the booklet, which shall now be distributed and taken as read. The booklets are there. We have to act swiftly according to an author. When you see proactiveness, the time of performance is between thunder and lightning. When you hear the thunder, before you see the lightning, the action has been taken. So most people, some of us, pass through sleepless nights to have this, and I'm grateful to the printer. They are available here for everybody to take in the short term. I thank honorable commissioners here present, the directors, and other research staff for their positive contributions and sacrifices, personal and collective, which contributed to the success of previous election. And it is hoped that same will be given in the present exercise. In conclusion of this address, I take liberty to express our profound gratitude to you all for turning out in this large number at very short notice in response to our invitation and for patiently listening to this seemingly lengthy address. God bless you all. Thank you.
Chairman and good.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the High School, which is unveiling and thankfully the they do so to my son and to unveil this guidelines for the free, fair, and transparent election